myself Suganya, Assistant Professor in Department of Business Administration in Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. So this is the continuation of the function. So we already discussed about what is mean by function, why we are going to use the function in C programming, and next we are how we are going to define a function, what is the caller function, what is the callee function, and how we are going to how we are going to define the function. Here how we are going to calling a function. So called by specifying the function name and the parameters whenever the instructions in the calling function. So when the function is called from some other function, the corresponding arguments in the functions are called as the actual arguments or the actual parameters. We can say as the actual arguments or the actual parameters. So the functions call must include the matching actual parameters for the each formal parameters. So what is mean by actual matching parameter is the, for example, I am creating the one function called add. It going to include two parameters means whenever I am calling that function, I need to pass two values as the argument. That is the concept of matching actual parameters. So position of actual parameters in the parameter list in the call must match the position of the corresponding formal parameters in the function definition. So the normal and the actual arguments must match in their data types also. So whenever we are passing the value, the actual data types also match. So here I am creating the I am just I'm just using the use the function in a main programming. So that is void main. So I am just creating three values or four values. I am just calling the operate as the function operate of x comma y comma op. So I am just passing three values to x and y value are the double data type and op is the character data type. So we just move on to the function. So the double operator bracket double x comma double y comma character op. So it is matched. So that is double x and double y, so character op. So this is the already given formal parameters is there. So here I am just doing some calculation which is match. If it is the value is plus, then it going to add two value, add x plus y plus 0.5. It is the tilde symbol. It going to check the x value with the y value. It is true, x value is true, then it going to return the negative negative, that is the minus operator it going to perform. If it is a x, then it going to perform the multiplication operation. If it is not comes any of the category, it going to return the minus 1 value. So next we are going to use the what is the meaning of local variable in the function. So we all know that void main is the caller function. So because it is the main programming, so here I am just using the sent to Fahrenheit. Sent to Fahrenheit is a function. It going to perform the conversion of sent value into the Fahrenheit value. So it going to return some value to the main programming also. So here, so sent as the parameter passed and it going to return the result value to the main programming. So the function can define its own local variable. The local have means only within the function. The local variable means it going to use only the within of the function. Each execution of the function uses the new set of local values. Local variables can have to exist when the function is returned to the main programming. So parameter are always the local variable in the in the function. So here I am going to calculate the area of the circle means I am just passing the one variable, that is the double D. So this is the parameter I am passing. So inside of that created function I am created two variables, that is radius and area. So radius and area are called as the local variable. Okay. So here the marked one double radius comma area is called as a local variable. So what are the points to be note down as the identifier used as a formal parameters as the local. It is not recognized by the outside of the function. So names of the formal and actual parameters are differ, must be differ. So value returning main function is called as the called by including it an expression. A function with return type can be avoided. That means void can be used anywhere and expressions of the return data type. So while returning, that is the caller function, if it is not nothing is written, so we can't you we can if it is going to return some value, we may include the return and variable name, or else we can reach is the last end of the functions. In some cases, if it is want to return some value, we can use the return expression. So in this video, we have discussed about what is mean by function and what is mean by local variable of local variables present in the function. So in my next video, we will have discuss about what is call by value, call by reference. Thank you.